So we are hoping to fill about 6,000 sandbags altogether.
Project this year is about 33,000.
We are here today with OzFish crew and lots of volunteers, and today we are loading sand into sandbags, hoping to fill a total of about 6,000 sandbags altogether. And we have been very lucky to have lots of wonderful sponsors, and because of them we've purchased this machine that helps us fill about one bag for every 20 seconds.
That's a lot of bags.
That's a lot of bags, and so we are hoping to lay 6,000 bags this year, which is 3 times what we put down last year. Problem is that the substrate is currently washing away and the seedlings have nothing to attach to. So to help that process as well, we collect seedlings that have washed up on the beach.
There should be somewhere between 500 and 800 of the seedlings just in the 10 litres. The whole project this year is about 33,000, so you should put a good dent into it.
Yes, a girl can.
We're just heading out today. We're going out to our new Seagrass site at Witchbank. This area was affected by a marine heat wave and lost hectares and hectares of seagrass. So that's why we're back here today, putting down these bags, bringing back the habitat. Okay, ready? Stop! Ready?
Seedlings have a very sharp root, and the root gets attached to the sandbags, and therefore it has a greater chance of survival because the sandbags create a substrate for the seedlings.
When you're ready, you ready? Go!
Hands clear. We've just deployed the bags. Because these are the bags that we put the seedlings in, we just need the divers to go down and just do a couple of things. So they're just going to make sure that the bag landed with the seedlings facing up so they can grow properly, and then also they're going to adjust the bag so they're in a nice straight line, which just makes, when we come to doing monitoring in a few months' time, just makes it that much easier. So quick simple task, this is about 20 minutes and then back at it.